Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be putting the Dusk Ascot style bed in colour natural upstairs. If you've been following my channel, we've been doing a renovation. So at the moment, this is in our downstairs bedroom, aka dumping room. But our old bed is going to be coming down here. So we need to get rid of that first and then we can start putting this up. So yeah, let's see what it's like. Let's check out the quality. We need to get it up these narrow stairs. So we're going to be dismantling it and unboxing it downstairs. And then we'll be carrying it upstairs because, yeah, it's just quite tight around here. Okay, so this is our old bed. Excuse the state on it. We've had it for quite a long time now. But this will be going downstairs. And then once we've got this area clear, we can put the Dusk bed. So let's get dismantling. Okay, so we've managed to get the Super King upstairs. Honestly, that headboard, getting it up, it wasn't too bad because it was lightweight, but the way our stairs were, that was hard, and we've damaged the wall, so we need to go and fix that. But this is all the pieces of the Ascot bed. It says up to 2 hours assembly time. Oh, God. And a 2-person assembly. So we might go off and have lunch first before we put this up, I don't know. But these are the instructions. Yeah, so when you open it, it's got all the stuff inside. And then it's just literally telling you how to assemble it from here on out. So I'll have to give it a go. But unfortunately, there is Velcro on the bottom of the headboard. And when we were getting it up, it sat on our brand new carpet and it's pulled up all the fabric in the carpet, so I'm not too happy about that, really. Okay, so we've just got back from a walk and now we're going to try and tackle this. Wish us luck. Okay, so that is us putting up the Dusk bed. It generally wasn't like hard, but it was just effort, you know what I mean? The instructions are quite easy to follow, and it said on the paper that it would take 2 hours, and it took us pretty much bang on 2 hours, maybe just a little bit less. But yeah, I'll just show you how the mechanisms work. So this seems to be working all fine. And then give it a push down, and that's the Ottoman. So we're gonna put the Emma mattress on there now, and we just bought Super King size bedding and everything from Asda, so we'll pop that on in a bit and I'll show you. But yeah, so far so good. Feels sturdy-ish. Just hoping our screwing in was good enough to keep it solid for a long time, but yeah. Okay, so on first impression, the dog clearly loves it. Hughie, you like your new bed? Yeah, no, it feels really nice on first impressions. Obviously, we won't know until we've slept on it, but so far, so good. Oh. So now we're going to put a sheet on it and the duvet and everything and turn it into an actual bed. Okay, and that is it, guys. Please ignore the lack of interior design in here, but this is the Dusk bed. I've actually never ever had a Super King before, or a King, so please ignore the way I've designed it. I actually don't know how to style a Super King bed. I'm going to have to buy all new throws and new cushions and everything. But in terms of the actual bed, let me just do a close-up of the material. It's a natural colour, so it's like quite a greyish beige, but I think it'll go with absolutely everything, and it probably won't ever date because it's literally just plain and it's got a nice fabric to it. But yeah, in terms of putting it together, I'd say it was fairly easy. You just got to, you know, make sure you've got 2 hours spare. Be careful if you've got the same carpet as us, because the Velcro did mess up the carpet. But other than that, I haven't really got any advice to give. It literally just follow the instructions and you'll be totally fine. But I think it was 25% off Dusk when we bought this. And for a Super King, we paid like 300 and something pound for it, which I think is absolutely amazing. And you honestly would never be able to tell. I think their slogan is like, we're not cheap, everyone else is just expensive. And I do feel like that because I don't feel like the quality is impaired at all. So I am super impressed. And as well, I'll be doing a review on the Emma mattress because this is like the 5th night that we've slept on it now. I've got some updates for you on that as well. So stay tuned. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my Dusk bed. And good luck to you putting yours up. It is honestly not that bad. And yeah, it's so worth it. And the quality seems great and the price is even better. So I'll see you guys in next week's video.